In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a PDF in Adobe Acrobat. PDFs are a staple in digital documentation, offering a reliable way to preserve formatting across different platforms. However, sometimes you need to make changes to a PDF, whether it's updating text, adding images, or correcting a mistake. Adobe Acrobat is a powerful tool for doing just that. So let's dive in and go through the process step by step. First, you're going to want to open your PDF file in Adobe Acrobat. If you're new to Adobe Acrobat, don't worry, it's very intuitive to use. To open your PDF, simply launch Adobe Acrobat on your computer, then navigate to the File menu at the top left of the screen and select Open. Browse through your files, find the PDF you wish to edit, and double-click it to open. Once your document is open, look towards the top left corner of the screen. You'll see an option labeled Edit. Click on this and it will open up a range of editing tools. These tools are designed to make changes to your document with ease, whether you're adding new content or modifying existing text and images. With the editing tools at your disposal, you can now start making changes. If you need to update text, simply select the text tool, click on the text you want to change and begin typing. The same goes for images. Choose the image tool, select the image you wish to modify, and make the necessary adjustments. Adobe Acrobat even allows you to adjust fonts, change colors, and play around with text alignment to ensure everything looks just the way you want it. While you're editing, it's a good idea to regularly save your progress. This will prevent any loss of work in case something unexpected happens. Fortunately, saving is straightforward. After making your changes, simply go to the File menu at the top left of your screen again and hit Save. This will overwrite the existing file with your updated version. If you want to keep both the original and the edited versions, choose Save As, and then give your file a new name before saving. Editing PDFs in Adobe Acrobat is really that simple. By following these steps, you can easily make any text or image changes and save your document, ensuring you have the most up-to-date version of your work. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful in enhancing your PDF editing skills. Remember to give this video a like if you found it useful, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials. Until next time.